Hello all, welcome back. So now let us continue seeing the operators. So last time we have seen the string operators. Now it is time for us for the next operators, which is nothing but the file check or test operators, which is the last operators which we'll be seeing. Of course, conditional execution, that is not part of the operators, but that is different. So this is operators. It is whatever the, let me write session 10 file test operator, so which is very much file test operator, so which is very much important topic, which is file test operator means what. So let us assume you are writing something in your project actually, and you got certain file, you want to do certain file processing actually. So first you need to check whether the file is generated or not. So file is exists or not, you need to see. And then if file is exists, whether it contains certain data or not, you need to see. Assume that if contains data also, this third step is whether you are if, permitted to read that one, you need to see. So if you are supposed to write, you need to see whether you are supposed to write, like that. And this is file test operator is like testing all the files, not only normal file, you can check with the directory, because everything file in Linux. So the device files, terminals, character special file, black special file, pipes, sockets, everything is treated as a file. So that file is exists, or whether it has data and all that you will be looking. Okay, now let us test the uh, file thing. So let us, what are the options actually? So file E, whether it is exists or not, and then if it is a normal file, the symbol is minus F, and if it is a directory, minus D. B is for minus black special, C is for character special, T is for terminal, S is for symbolic link, minus S is for the size of the particular file, whether it is empty or not, and whether permitted to read, permitted to write, permitted to execute. So this will apply for either file or directory. We'll see with the file, you can cross check with the directory. So more details about this read write permission you can see in the change mode, which is a 1 hour topic. So you can very detailed it is given, so you can go through the Linux basics. Okay, so now let us do the whether it is exists or not actually. So let us check with that. So I'll just close this. Okay, now yeah, let us go to the shell samples. We will try one or two samples, we will try to see, otherwise we'll see actually. So now uh, like my file I'll give, so equal to my file equal to, like this. You can give double quotes or no, doesn't matter, because you don't have any space in that. So better, this is directly you can give like this, or you can give the file name also like that actually. So whether the file exists or not, we will check. Now I say my f, this one. Okay, so now if you see this one, echo dollar, this one, which is true. Okay, now I will directly do the my first script, we will try to do actually directly. Okay, and this is also exists, so it will be 0 anyway, the output. Okay, so now I'll just say one, something like this, then it is 1. So just for you, because you should not think everything will be 0, so it will be whatever it is possible, it will give you. So minus f is whether it is file, whether it is file or not actually. So that is minus f. Now file exists or not, we can check with that. Okay, so now echo dollar question mark. So what is the difference? So it will tell only the whether it is exists or not actually, but it will not tell you whether that is a file or directory, like that. So whether the given file exists or not, that is the its job actually. So now I want to see whether the current directory whether exists or not. So generally it is exists actually. So the parent directory, yeah, it will exist. So something like this, I say abc, okay, which is not there, so it will be 1 actually. So exist means exist file or directory, it will be a file. So now let us assume I give because whenever I say ls minus l, by default current directory, parent directory will be there actually. So now let us assume this particular directory, whether it is a file or directory, we will try actually. So I say minus f, then dot, then whatever echo dollar question mark, which will be false. Okay, because that is not a file, that is a directory. Now if I say the same thing with directory, which will be true. Okay, so this is how you will differentiate that one. Now let us assume I want to say this directory, like my file actually, my file I have defined with, since you have defined, you need to give a dollar. Okay, so which is directory, which is false actually. So that's what the thing. Now let us assume I want to check tty, so this is device pts4. we'll check whether it is terminal file, which will be correct. So directly I am assigning here, which is not at all the right way. Why? Because nobody will substitute. You need to first put in your variable like this actually. Okay, if you are hard coding this one, if you want to, like, let us assume you are writing a script, it is taken from command line arguments, then assigning to a variable, then you are processing the variable, then in this case it will not work. So if you want to write a real application as in industry, you should not hard code like this. You should only do with variable. Okay, so you need to assign like this, and then you need to do. So I am showing various samples so that you will be well acquainted with all, but you will be using only the industry thing, which is benefit actually. So if I say minus t pts4, which is terminal only, this is right. Okay, this is maybe device tty. Okay, some issue device tty, it is there, tt1 is also there, right? Okay, so if I say just device tty, it is one, which is not right. This is false, it is giving, which is not right. Okay, so now uh, maybe my tty, I don't think any issue here. Device pts4, because that doesn't matter, it will give the same, but it should not be supposed to be uh, my tty. Okay, I'll just say this, and then echo dollar question mark one. It, which it should not be actually. Minus t is for the terminal, and these are the terminals actually. So I'm not sure why it is happening. Okay, so you can you can cross check on that, which is not right actually, because terminal, which is a terminal only. Okay, so it will be it should be true. Even I say device pts 4, it will be true actually. Okay, so this one we have got some issue in the terminal. Okay, so this you can browse and let you know that one. Okay, now let us check on the black special and character special files. So if I say device whatever the disk free space whatever I have, let us take this one, device sda3 actually. Okay, so let us take this one, my drive. Okay, so device sda3. So if I say ls minus l device sda3, it is the black special actually. So now let us check whether it is black special or not. So it should give, and if it gives surprising result, then it will be issue. Now yes, my drive black device actually. So now if I say character device, it will be false. Now maybe terminal it is giving like that actually. Maybe character it is taking instead of terminal. So let us check actually. So let us check this, whether it is uh, character special file it is taking, not sure. So now device pts4. Okay, so yes, it is taking character special file. It is not taking as a terminal actually, it is taking as a character special file actually. So that's what you are getting that. Okay, we will check on that device pts4. So it will be c, correct. So it is not the terminal, real terminal, whatever control alt f1 you need to go. So here it is whatever the t actually. So now I say div grep like trw, anything is there, that's what. No, there is no terminal file here actually, so no pipes and fifos and all. Okay, so this is character special file, that's what it is giving to you, the whatever the device pts actually. So that's what, whenever we see that one, uh, like with the terminal it is not giving correctly, because that is false. So this is treated as a character special file. This b starts for black special file actually. So we have seen basic file, directory, and then all that by directory, black special file, character special file, like that. Now let us assume ls actually. So now if you see this one, I have the size, file size actually. So now if I say minus yes, then like for to save time, I am writing the file directly, but you are not supposed to write, you need to put in a variable and then you need to do. So now if you see this one, this is true. Now let us assume I say touch abc. Okay, and then if you say abc file, which you should not give with a without extension. Okay, so but quickly, maybe I don't want to use like no test.sh. I'll just say move abc to test.sh. Okay, I'm using this test.sh, which is empty. Okay, so which is empty. Now let us assume I want to check this test.sh file. It is a file. yes, that one will be, I will write here to save the time. Yes, true. And if it is a directory character special file and all, will be false actually. And then if it is has any size, okay, if it is exists actually, so which is true. Now if you say this one, write read, yes, uh, okay, I got this D wrongly. Okay, so if it is readable, yes, it will be true. Is it writable? Yes, it is true. Is it executable? Which is false actually. So that's what this particular one, because this is not executable file. But let us check whether this is executable, this file, first script or any file. So I just testing first script. Okay, so now if you see this one, this is true. Okay, so but here it is not there, then it is false actually. So that's what you will be checking the these particular properties. uh, File test operator. So now let us cross check in the slide whether we have missed anything. So several checks can be done on files directory to test existence, permissions, etc. So minus e exists, all these we have discussed. Blocks, character, f, and then directory. H is symbolic link actually. So symbolic link also we can try. So let us assume I have I am doing same thing, short link actually. So if to know uh, about more in links, you can refer the Linux basics. Now let us assume whether this is link or not. Okay, so I say my link file, because this time I am doing with assignment, so that uh, I am not hard coding the file name. I will be doing like a general standard. Okay, so now if you see this one, minus link, right, which is h, and then my link file, it will be true. Okay, so now echo dollar question mark, which will be true. Now if I just say export test file, directly I'm giving export test, which is false, because that is not a link, that is a real file actually. So if you see this one, this is the link file, and then you can see here. So first it will check whether it is a link file or not, and whether this export test is a normal file. And yeah, more about links you can refer into the Linux basics unit. Okay, so this is how you do the symbolic link. Now let us test any other thing. And exist, we know data, and these are the file names how you are giving. uh, is minus s is the size, file exists and has a size greater than 0. So this you can do this for both the things, file exists and size greater than 0. File exists, readable, writable, like that. Only if you want just exist minus e, it will be okay enough for minus e. And if you for complete thing, you can refer these man pages, which are very like no extensive. So you need to spend like very large amount of time to go through all this actually. So this is, but this is the very good material where you will get everything here actually. So this is a complete manual, this is the best thing what you can do actually, so you can refer. Okay. Okay, so this one minus T is for file descriptor actually. So you are opening a file descriptor with respect to the terminal. Okay, so you take the terminal and open the file, and then you are testing that. Then only it will be true. Okay, so you can test that one. That will be a very good experience. Now file test operator, same whatever we have here, we are writing with the syntax, and file we are assigning like this, and then we need to check like this actually. So this anyway we have done. Here we are writing in a script file. You experiment with the script file. So you create a script file called poem.txt or any other name, doesn't matter. And with certain text, you ensure that certain text should be there. Otherwise, minus s will fail actually. Okay, so and then minus s will give true, size is false, it will give. But if you have some text, it will be 0. Okay, so file, whether file or not, true. Directory false, readable true, writable true, execute false, size is yes true, 0. So 0 true and 1, like that. So now here file test operator for directory. So I have used this backquotes to execute this command and created a empty file. What is this? And then I am writing some like no some content into the file1.txt, and I am having my file empty file, and f1 file1.txt I am writing this one, assigning to a variable actually. Then I am checking whether it is directory or not, and the negation, and or not. So that also we can do. So all this, this is the file or not, we are checking which is true in this case, which is false in this case. This is file, this is negation of this, so 0 true. Okay, so this is file, no directory, so negation, it is not file, yes true, 0. And my file is the empty file, yes this is true. And we are checking the size also, minus s f1. F1 is nothing but file1.text, which is whatever the this particular file one which contains the data. And if you are checking empty file, then it will contain no contents actually, that you can check. My file, it is empty file, right? So this is false because it doesn't have anything, so this is one. And f1 contains some data because we redirected IO redirection. For more IO redirection, you can check on the Linux basics units. Okay, so this is for symbolic links which we have seen. This is for the symbolic links. And the character special file, black special file, all we have seen. And if you see this particular one, you are writing, you are creating a text file and then executing all this. So ensure that you can do like that. That is the better way you will be doing that. Okay, so I have just did directly terminal. So but from your side, please try to create a file and try to do, which will be good. And device SDA2, you see that one in your directory whether it is there. Otherwise, it will not be. It will throw you false actually. So you just take care and you ensure that file will be there. Okay, so this is up to whatever the file test operators and all. I hope you got something out of this video. So like if you have any comments, you can put into the comment section. So subscribe for more videos. So we'll see you in the next session with the conditional execution. Okay, so okay then, see you in the next video. Bye for now.